This video is going to cover Unit 21, the entire unit, 21.1, 21.2, 21.3, and 21.4. It's a relatively short unit, but it's got a lot of good stuff in it. Okay, so 21.1 talks about just simply how we name angles. So we're looking at figure 21.1 and 21.2. So we've got this kind of a thing going here. And A, B, and C. So these are all points on the angle. C is the vertex, by the way. And then inside we've got, it says measure angle 1. So this angle we could call angle 1. We could also call it angle ACB. Starting here, the middle letter will be the vertex. We could also call it angle BCA. Okay? Because we can go either direction with that. Now let's take a look at figure 21.2, the one right next to it. Let's see if I can halfway redraw that. And something like that, where this point is D, this point is F, this point is G, and this one is E. How original. All right, then they have things drawn in here. This is, I'm not going to draw the lines. This is angle 2. This one is angle 1, but I will draw the line for this bigger one because it's angle 3. Just because it encompasses both of those angles. Now, how do we name these angles? Okay. Oh, by the way, this one right here, I didn't even mention that. This one right here can also be called angle C. We can just call it by its vertex. Because this one cannot be called angle D. Now here's the reasoning. This angle right here is only one angle, period. So that vertex only goes for one angle, and that is angle BCA. This one over here, I have actually 3 angles that all share. I got to work on my English. They share the same vertex. So angle 1, there's the vertex for it. Angle 2, there's the vertex for that. And angle 3, there's the vertex for that. So just to say angle D doesn't really tell me anything. So I cannot use angle D for the measurement of any of those angles. I have to be more specific. For example, if I wanted to talk about this angle right here, I could say that that angle is angle 2. I can also say that that angle is angle FDE or angle EDF. So all 3 of these are ways that I can talk about this angle right here. Now, let's look at this angle right here. I could call that angle 1. I could also call it angle GDF or angle FDG. Right, a G. So those are three ways that I can talk about this angle right here. Now the bigger angle, I could call that angle 3. I could also call it angle GDE. I could also call it angle EDG. Okay, so here's the ways you can talk about these three angles. Once again, I cannot use the vertex because there's more than one angle in this group. So these two angles both share this adjacent side right there, and once that happens, once you have two angles that share an adjacent side, you can no longer use the vertex as the name of either one of those two angles. Okay?